Hi everyone. Today we are going to see a support ticket which was raised by the business. So that we are going to resolve through the FS document. What was the request? The request which was raised by the business was they want to see the contract progress and the document flow of the contract progress. That was the requirement. So to fulfill that requirement, there is no standard in the SAP. So we requested them to do an enhancement. By that, they can check what is the contract progress, when it is going to be expired, when it is going to be quantity is going to be expired, or value is going to be expired, when we need to extend the quantity, or when we need to extend the price. All those things are calculated by the contract progress and document flow. What is the document flow? From which contract, which PO is created. For that contract, how much quantity we have received. Based on that contract, how much the payment has been done to the vendor. That is nothing but document flow. Giving one contract number, we can see the document flow of the purchase order. From there, we can see the GR, and from there, we can see the IR. So this was the requirement from the business. So they want to see the contract progress and the document flow. Okay. So you see the type of the FS document is deliverable. We are not creating anything here, just we are delivering the data to the client. Okay. Okay, and if you see, this is the table of content where we are going to mention what is the related documents which are going to be affected for this FS document. Then we are going to give the as is business process, how the business is acting now, and how we are going to convert that process into SAP. Then we are going to say what is screen layout, which all data should be visible in the report and which all should not visible in the report. That can be decided by the screen layout. And we are going to define the detailed logic of the FS document. Then we are going to assume one of the experiment and take an example of one scenario and run the complete cycle, then check what is happening in the system. Okay, now what is unit test? Unit test is nothing but after you run the FS document and create the FS document, based on that you are going to create a unit test. You are going to test the end-to-end scenario and check if the system is working properly or not. That is a unit test. If I come to the specification overview, now let's see what is a gap and what is the requirement. First, what is a gap? This development enables user to track the progress of contract in the system. Okay, it will track the progress of contract in the system, like when is the expiry date, when is the quantity expiry, when is the value expiry. All those things will get tracked there. And you can see document flow for individual contract. If you want to open individual contract, under the contract, what all details you have, everything will be seen there. Okay. Then you have construction business requirement. Track contract progress. How are you going to track? Business needs to consolidate a report to track the progress of contract, track sales order, down payment, billing created against contract. These are the requirements. Now, what is the document flow requirement? Current document flow does not list down payment document received against contract. Business needs the data as a part of the document flow. Okay, now how they are working, as is nothing but how they are working now. Construction KSA do not generate any forms of invoice in the ERP system now. This is manually generated through MS Word or Excel. They are going to generate the invoice using the MS Office or Excel. Now how we are going to convert it? Construction KSA business should use a custom transaction or business warehouse tool to check the progress of contracts and also find a relevant document for the given contract. Okay, and what is screen layout? In the screen layout, what all you need to see? You need to see customers, you need to see the document date, you need to see the document number of contract and WBS, that is a work breakdown structure. Now we are going to the detailed logic. So here, like this, the report should look. It should have sold to party, customer name, how it is sorted by, and all the documents and creation, material, how much we have sold, and quantity, how much value does the quantity have, contract have, everything we can see it here. And we have a detailed logic here to explain the FS document. Here, we are going to pick the customer name. So, how we are going to pick the customer name? Customer's name is picked by the sold to party. We are getting a sold to party. That sold to party is passed to KNA1 KUNNR, which is the customer number field. So to that we are transferring the data, and from there we are fetching the name of the customer. That you can go to the KNA1, then go to KUNNR. If you want to find the address also, then you can go to ADRS and fetch the address. Now you want to document. So the same sold to party is used and pass the data to the BBPA and fetch the customer name there. Okay, and if PRPW is B is P, that is sold to party. If it is equal to sold to party, then fetch the document number. So that all the document number under the sold to party will come and fall here. And now you want the category type. What is the document category? As soon as you get the document number, based on the document number, you're going to fetch the document category. That is, you are going to use BBLELN, that is the document category. Then you are moving that data to this table, so that you will be getting the document category. And you want the creation or posting date when the data is created. So even that can be taken from the document number and the document category. And there you can fetch the document date or the posting date. And you have item material can be taken from MATNAR, material description using the same MATNAR, quantity, all these can be taken from the basic tables. And using this all the basic details, you're going to provide the basic detail logic to the ABAP, so that he is going to build you the logic and give you a program, so that a new T code also can be created or the old T code also can be used. Okay. Suppose that you are going to create some of the billing document and you are doing the test scenario, that is the unit testing. If the unit test get passed, then you are ready for the system sign off or the official sign off with the business. Okay. Thank you.